Hey everybody, Thomas with Alpha Concepts here, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can apply for your Illinois concealed carry license. If you've already taken a training class, then you can skip ahead a minute. However, if you haven't taken a training class yet, that's going to be your first step before you can apply. That's why we're at the Alpha Concepts website. You just come on over here, click sign up for a class. That's going to take you to our calendar. Once you're at our calendar and you see the list of the classes that are available, you just click on the class that you want to attend. In this case, we're just going to click on the October 10th class. That's the next class coming up on the list. Obviously, calendar updates in real time. You'd click on tickets over here. That's how you would register for the class. Obviously, you can read through the date, the time, the location, what the class includes, what it excludes. All right, now we're going to go to ispfsb.com. That's the Illinois State Police Firearms Services Bureau website. Again, you can see it up in the browser bar, www.ispfsb.com. If you don't have a FOID card, that's okay. You're just going to click on Apply for a Concealed Carry License. You're going to go ahead and log in, enter your username, your password, your last name, and your date of birth. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button. There's a recovery utility. If you've forgotten your username, that's not a problem either. You can try to call the Illinois State Police, but it's very hard to get through. If you can't get through, then you can create a new account with a different email address. When you enter in your new information, then all your account information will transfer over. And if you don't already have an account, then you would click register now where it says new user, register now, and you'd create a new account. All right, in this case, we already have the FOID card, so we're just going to go ahead and we're going to apply for the Illinois Concealed Carry License. Now, the Illinois State Police prefer that you do not use your phone. They would want you to use a computer to apply for the Concealed Carry License. All right, so here we are. We already have the FOID card. We're going to click Apply under the Concealed Carry License tab. That's going to bring up the new window. It's going to ask us to verify what we're applying for. If we don't have the FOID card, you would click FOID. It'll allow you to apply for both at the same time. We are applying for the Concealed Carry License. We click Next. Now you're going to have to waive some of your HIPAA rights, and you're also going to have to agree that giving false information is a crime. Go ahead, read those waivers, then click Next. Some preliminary information. Are you 21 years of age or older? Are you current law enforcement? Have you submitted fingerprints? Fingerprints are optional. If you do choose to submit fingerprints, then you'll receive the transaction control number. You would enter that in there. If you don't choose to submit fingerprints, just click Next. You're a citizen. You're going to enter your driver's license number or your state ID number and then click Next. It's going to verify your information against other state databases. We'll just let that process through a second. All right, everything is valid. We can continue. Now we're going to go through a lot of the information is pre-populated because, again, we already have the FOID card. So you're going to go through, just verify your information, update your phone number if you need to, your email address. You're going to confirm your email address. Go ahead and click Next. State police say this is the email address that they're going to send notifications to. You have to understand you don't always get notifications from the state police. Sometimes you do. It seems to be hit or miss. All right, so now 10 years of address, 10 years of residency. Okay, just go ahead and verify your information. You're going to enter in the month and the year that you moved in. I found that if you're off a month or two, it isn't the end of the world, but you got to get your years right. I'm going to click Next. It's going to tell you how long you've lived there. You're going to need 10 years. In this case, we've got way more than that. Click Next again. And now you're going to have to answer your criminal history questions. Okay, so go through. You're going to want to read each question. Make sure you understand the question. and then just go ahead and, after you've read the question, click no. So we're just going to go through, read the questions. We have no felonies, we have no violent arrests, no domestic battery, nothing like that. We're not mental defectives, no orders of protection, no failed drug tests, not addicted to controlled substances, never been in a mental institution within the last 5 years. Again, we're not mental defectives, not intellectually disabled, no threats or violent arrests of any kind, no warrants, no detox within 5 years, and fewer than 2 DUIs within 5 years. You're going to go ahead and enter in your instructor's name. Your instructor's name is last name first. Then you're going to enter in the CCT ID. There are no spaces. It's CCT, and then the number. There are no spaces. You're going to enter in the date of training as it shows on your training certificate. There are some exemptions. If you don't have any of those exemptions, just read through it and then click next. All right, so now we need to upload the training certificate. You can scan it or you can take a picture with your phone. Generally, I just use a phone. You're going to click on Add Document, and then you're going to browse to where the document is stored on your hard drive, and then you're going to upload it. You're going to click on the Add Document button, and because of the way I was doing the screen record, it's not actually showing me bounce around and select the file, but that's actually what I'm doing right now as you see the mouse move. So it uploaded, I click Next, and we continue. Then we're going to upload our photo. Again, click the Add Photo button. You're going to browse to where the file is. It's going to upload the photo. Make sure it's a head and shoulders photo. Click Next and continue. Now we are on the password screen. Again, password is your signature. So you're going to enter in your password, of course, read it, and then click Sign and Pay. That is your signature. After we click Sign and Pay, it takes us to the state collections website where we can make payment for the concealed carry license. So you're going to enter in your email address where you want your receipt to be sent, and then you're going to click Next, Add Payment Method. When we get on the next screen, it's going to give us the option of either using a credit card or an e-check. You can see they're going to charge us a service fee. It's $3.38 service fee for credit card, and it's a 50-cent service fee for e-check. So you're going to click your payment method. In this case, we're going to use a credit card. And I'm just going to bounce. You enter this basic standard credit card information. All right, so we jumped ahead. The credit card information was entered. We click Next. It's going to ask us to confirm one more time. We're going to review. If you want to receive emails from the state treasurer, you'd click Next. If not, you're going to have to click on I agree to the terms of service. Of course, read the terms of service if you want to. So click I agree and then make payment. And that's it. Your application has been submitted successfully. Now the waiting period begins. According to state law, it should be between 90 and 120 days maximum, but it's not unusual for people to wait longer than that. Of course, print a copy if you'd like to print a copy. You should receive an email receipt as well. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer your questions. You can like and subscribe to this video and to this channel. I have a lot of excellent information for concealed carry, firearm training tips. And as always, be armed, be trained, and be alpha.